it, and then all right, so we're going to start off today with this. Let's solve log base 3, 2x minus 5 equals 4. And then let's solve 3 to the 2x plus 1 equals 7. Let's solve those two. Go. Well, I thought they were written on the screen, Jason. Maybe, Jace, if I do this, you'll be able to see it. Stephen.
Hi, good afternoon with Mr. David.
Yeah, hello?
Hi, good afternoon, sir. This is radiology imaging specialist.
Oh, okay.
We are intentively calling in regard.
Yep. My son's knee, yes. It's all good. Yeah, go ahead. Guys, I'll be right back. Solve those. Go ahead. All right. 2571 Partridge Drive, Partridge. Yeah. Stephen with PH. PH, Erica Root. You've already been there once, so I think you have that. Okay. Uh, 6'5", 285 probably. No. No. Yeah. Yeah. You want 9 at 6? No, I can't do that. If I'm gonna do Monday, can you do morning? Do whatever you say. Okay. Figure it out. All right. So the first one is one that we kind of have gone over already, I think. Have we gone over the first one yet? Anybody? We did? Okay, great. Now the second one we haven't really gone over, so that's where we're going to kind of spend some time today. The first one, you're just taking the log and you're switching it to exponential. So you're doing 3 to the 4th equals 3 to the 4th equals 2x minus 5. Um, something about 3 to the 4th equals 2x minus 5. Everybody still see this? All right. All right. Can everybody see the screen?
Yep, hey y'all.
Hey, Sarah. It's log base 3. Shut up.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
It's log base 3. 2x minus 5 equals 4, I think is what we had. And then we wrote that as 3 to the 4th equals 2x minus 5, which is 81 equals 2x minus 5. Then we added 5. We got 86 is equal to 2x. Divide by 2, and x is equal to 43, which is what Jason said 10 minutes ago. All right. Any questions on that? Now, I don't remember the next one. I'm gonna be honest. It was something I don't remember the next one. Can somebody type it out for me, please? 3 raised to the what? Three to the 2x plus 1 equals 7. Now, how do we solve this? This one is actually a lot more difficult because, generally when you solved equations, when we solved equations before, it was something like this, where you took and you tried to make this and this be the same. And then once you got them to be the same, you set the exponents equal to each other and you were able to solve. But what do you do in cases where you can't make them the same? And that's the question, kind of our playground for right now. All right. What do we do when we cannot make them the same and we must do something different? All right. So the way we deal with that is we're going to take the log of both sides. Now, when I say we're going to take the log, understand that I mean either log or ln. Either way, it doesn't matter. All right. You can take the log or you can take the ln. It's the same answer either way. Okay. And when you do that, the benefit of taking the log of both sides is that allows you to use that property that brings the exponents down to the front. And it's 2x plus 1 log 3 equals log 7. All right. Which then allows you to distribute and get 2x log 3 plus log 3 equals log 7. Subtract log 3, and you'll get 2x log 3 equals log 7 minus log 3. And then we'll divide by 2 log 3. We'll divide by 2 log 3. And that gives us our final answer of x equals log 7 minus log 3 over 2 log 3. Okay. Now, what I'm going to ask is, are there any questions? Not necessarily, do you think you could do this on your own before, but having seen kind of the process, are there any questions on the process that we used? Any questions on the process that we used? Brittany, we good, baby? Lena, we good, honey? Long, talk to me, babe. What you got? Long's just chilling. Long, you just wake up? All right, here we go. Let's go 8, 4x plus 2 equals 6. Then let's try 7 to the 2x plus 1 equals 5 to the 3x. Let's try those two. This one, the top one being one that we just got done doing, then the bottom one being one that is a little different than what you just saw. All right, what we got? Who's got an answer? If you're done, go ahead and type in done, please. Or type in stuck. But, honestly, Sierra, if you think about it, done and stuck are actually the same thing.
It's like the one that you just put up, correct?
The first one is, yeah.
Right. So when I get to, I'm stuck because I'm at the 4x log 8 equals negative log 10.
No.
No, that's wrong.
No. So if we take the log of both sides,
Uh-huh.
we're going to get 4x plus 2 log 8
Right.
equals log 6, right?
Right.
Then you're going to distribute. You're going to get 4x log 8
Right.
plus log 8 equals log 6, right?
Oh, I times the 2 and the 8 and made it 16, log 16.
No. If you did that, you got to raise the 8 to the second power and make it 64.
Okay. That's
Try
right.
to take that 2 in there. You got to make it 64.
I got it from here. I ain't stuck no more.
All right. Well, let me go ahead and finish it up.
Okay.
Subtract 2 log 8. And we'll get 4x log 8 equals log 6 minus 2 log 8. Divide by 4 log 8. Divide by 4 log 8, and you'll have it. All right. Now, this one is very similar, except you got to get the x's on the same side. And then factor. So let me let you do the second one. Very similar, but get the x's on the same side and then factor. All right. Who's got it? Who thinks they got it?
I might have it.
All right. Sierra thinks she got it.
Thank
We know Long has got it. We only have to ask Long.
you.
You got it. Jacob, you got it? Jacob used it pretty good too. Everything. All right, so that's what we're dealing with, right? That's what we're dealing with. And so we're going to go log of both sides. We're going to get 2x plus 1 log 7 equals 3x log 5. We're going to distribute 2x log 7 equals 3x log 5. So we're going to get log 7 equals 3x log 5 minus 2x log 7. The x factors out. Three log 5 minus 2 log 7. Divide by 3 log 5. minus 2 log 7. 3 log 5 minus 2 log 7. And that's your final answer. Log
I didn't take the X out.
3 log 5 minus 2 log 7. All right. Any questions?
So when there's two X's, you just take the X out and okay.
Yep. When there's two X's, you just factor. Any questions? Going once? Questions going twice? Let's try it again. Let's go 9 to the 2x plus 1 equals 4 to the 3x minus 6. Go.
I also just recently did a regulation that would prevent licensed pharmacists from administering tests to CVS and Walmart. You're hopefully you go in there and the licensed pharmacist will be able to test you. That's going to be very convenient for all.
When you get it, write done, please. Thanks, Jacob. Thanks, Jason. Thanks, Long. Thanks, Sierra. Who else we got? Elena. Kirsten's done. Yes. Jasmine, good job. Jasmine, how do you feel? Scale of 1 to 10. 1 is I'm not confident at all. 10 is I'm willing to bet at least 85 cents. Jasmine? Brittany, how do you feel on a scale of 1 to 10? Stacy stuck. All right. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. We're going to take the log of both sides. Now, this time I'm going to take the ln of both sides. And I'm doing that just so you know that it doesn't matter whether you take the log or the ln. It's equal to the same. So we're going to take the ln of both sides. When we do that, the exponents will drop in front. And we'll have 2x plus 1 ln 9 equals 3x minus 6 ln 4. Now we'll distribute. And we're going to get 2x ln 9 plus the ln of 9 equals 3x ln 4 minus 6 ln 4. Now, we got to get the x's on the same side. We got to get the x's on the same side. Okay? Got to get the x's on the same side. So first thing we're going to do is, do you want them on the left side or the right side? It functionally doesn't matter. I'm going to move this one over here and move this one this way. So know that we're going to be adding 6 ln 4 and know that I'll be subtracting 2x ln 9. All right. And so what we have is ln 9 plus 6 ln 4. That's moving this to that side. And then we have 3x ln 4 minus 2x ln 9. Let me pause there for spatial identification.
Quick question.
Yes, Sierra, what you got?
Does it matter if we put the 6 log 4 first?
No, it does not matter.
Numbers?
Community property of addition says you can switch them around.
Okay.
All right. Questions on that? Now we're solving for x, so we'll factor the x out. We have 3 ln 4 minus 2 ln 9. And now we'll divide by 3 ln 4 minus 2 ln 9. 3 ln 4 minus 2 ln 9. And that gives me the final answer of ln 9 minus 6 ln 4 over 3 ln 4 minus 2 ln 9.
Well, I got it right.
Good job, girl. Any questions? Any questions? Going once. I'm getting ready to leave and go to a new topic. So if you have a question on this, now's the time.
How would these be written on the test? Like, will it say solve for X or?
It'll say solve. Yeah, it'll say solve.
Okay.
All right. All right, Stacy, I got you. One more time, baby. Here we go. Solve 5 to the 2x plus 1 equals 7 to the 4x minus 6. Last one, then we're moving on to circles. All right, if you type in done when you got it, let me know. Let me know how you're doing. All right, Richard's done. Sierra's done. Brittany's done. Kirsten, you done? All right. Jason. Jason, how do you feel about it? Stacy's done. Jason doesn't feel good. Well, we know Long feels good, right? Like Long wakes up, eats out for breakfast, and then heads back to bed. Elena, how do you feel, baby? Jacob's done. All right. Elena's like a 4 out of 10. Long, where are you at? I will, Stacy. Oh, dang, Long. All right. We're going to. Lifestyle's rough from a Playboy over there. All right. We're going to take the element of both sides. We're going to get 2x plus 1 ln 5 equals 4x minus 6 ln 7. Dang. All right. 2x ln 5 plus ln 5 equals 4x ln 7 minus 6 ln 7. We straight? Now, I'm going to get the x's on the same side. So I'm going to get 6 ln 7 plus ln 5 equals 4x ln 7 minus 2x ln 5. All right. Factoring out the x, you get 4 ln 7. You get 4 ln 7 minus 2 ln 5. And that gives you a final answer of 6 ln 7 plus the ln of 5 over 4 ln 7 minus 2 ln 5. All right.
Does it matter if you did a log 5 or I did log 5 plus 6 log 7 for the top. Is that cool?
Same thing.
I got these.
All right.
Now throw at us.
What is 100 over 10? I feel like that's your internet speed. So what does that mean?
Good job, Elena.
No doubt. All right, questions on this? Going once? Going twice? Oh, sounds good. All right, we're going to move our discussion to circles. All right, so let's talk about circles. All right, so the basic equation of a circle looks like this. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. That's a very formal way to write circles. Let's look at some examples. It looks way harder than it actually is. All right. If I give you x squared plus y squared equals 25, what that's saying is that this is a circle where the center hasn't been shifted at all. It's centered at 0, 0. And then from there, you're going to go 5 units in all directions. All right. So you're going to go 5 units this way. You're going to go 5 units this way. You're going to go 5 units this way. And you're going to go 5 units this way. And then you're going to draw this circle. That's what we're dealing with. X squared plus y squared equals 25 is a circle where the center is at 0, 0. And the radius is 5. And you get the radius by taking the square root of that number. Okay. Questions, comments, concerns? Questions, comments, concerns? All right. So then let's leave this up. And let's ask this. Which way would this shift the circle? If I did x minus 2 squared and y plus 4 squared equals 25, what would that do to the circle? The radius would still be 5. This is going to shift it. which way are these going to shift?
To the right 2, up 4.
Say it again.
Is it to the right 2, up 4?
It's to the right 2, and it's going to be down 4.
Or down 4?
It's going to be to the right 2 and down 4. All right. So it's going to go right. It's going to go opposite both of these.
Okay.
All right. Now, the reason is when we did this, this one went left 5, up 3. But notice here the 5 is. Notice here the 5 is on the same side as the X. But here, the 3 is on the opposite side of Y. If I were to move this 3 over and make it look like this, then it would go left 5 and up 3. So when it's on the same side as the Y, it goes opposite the same way the X does. Okay? So this one's going to go right 2, down 4. Okay? So it's going to go to the right 2, down 4. That's your center. And now from there, you're going to go 5 in all directions. So you're here, you're here, you're here, you're here, and then you're drawing this circle that has a radius of 5. All right. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? All right. So here you go. Graph this. Graph it. Find the domain and range. All right. All right. So Kirsten and Stacy, when you guys get done, let me know. Okay. All right. So which way is this going to shift? This is going to shift right 3, up 6. Do we agree? So we're going to go right 3, up 6. Now we're going to go 3 in all directions. So we're going to go 3 in all directions. So we're at 3. We're going to go to 6. We're at 3. We're going to go to 0. We're at 6. We're going to go down to 3. We're at 6. We're going to go up to 9. And that's our circle. Now, what is the domain? The domain would be 0 to 6. The range would be 3 to 9. Any questions on that? Any questions on that?
Can you repeat how you formed the circle again?
I went to the right 3, up 6. That became my center. And then from that point, I went 3 in all directions. 3 over, 3 down, 3 left, and 3 up.
Okay, so because there are points, you would do the brackets.
Yep.
Okay.
Nobody cares.
Okay. I get it now. Let's do another one.
All right. Let's go here. Let's see if you can write the equation where we are centered at 4, -6. Radius is 7. Go.
Could you go back to the other page in just a second?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Write the equation. Centered at 4, -6. Radius is 7.
Why again did you go outwards in all directions in 3?
It's the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3. See, remember the formula is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The square root of that number on the end is the radius. So it's 3. It's the square root of 9. It's 3 in all directions. All right. Who thinks they got it? If you think you got it, go ahead and type in me. Elena, go. What say you? So it's x minus 4 squared plus y plus 6 squared equals 49. Excellent job. Great work, Elena. All right. Any questions on that? Any questions on that? All right. Let's do this. Let's find the center and the radius x squared plus 6x plus y squared plus 10y equals 15. Now, how do I find the center and the radius when it's given like this? See, the way we're used to seeing it is in this form. This is the way we're used to seeing it. All the ones that we've done up to now have been this way. Yeah, what's up, baby?
Nothing.
Okay.
I asked a question, but I'm awake.
Okay. All right. So this is the way we're used to seeing it. But the problem is this isn't written in this form. So how do I convert this to this form? That process is called completing the square. That process is called completing the square. And so let me show you how to do it. It's called completing the square. All right. The way you do it is you're going to take the middle number, divide by 2, and square it. So it's the middle divided by 2 and square. So it's 6 divided by 2, square. It's 10 divided by 2, square. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 squared is 25. So here's the way it's going to go down. X squared plus 6x plus 9. Y squared plus 10y plus 25 equals 15 plus 9 plus 25. If I add this piece here and I add this piece here, I must add them here and here. Now, how does that help me? If I do this correctly, I should be able to factor. I should be able to factor this piece and this piece. This piece factors to x plus 3 squared. This piece factors to y plus 5 squared. And then this piece is 49. So now what's the center and the radius? Now what's the center and the radius? Okay, the center would be -3, -5. And the radius would be 7. It's the square root of 49. Okay. Any questions on that? Any questions on that? Questions, comments, concerns? All right, let's let you try this. X squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. Find the center and the radius. Find the center and the radius. All right, go. All right. This will be our last one for today. Who thinks they got it? Who thinks they got it? Anybody? Richard's got a maybe. Long is just being long. Sierra thinks she got it. Jason says sure. Not even sure what that means. Elena, I'm not sure if she's typing in meh, like meh, I don't have it, or if she's just so tired she mispronounced how to say me.
It's the slang way of saying me.
But Sierra, she could be saying meh, like meh, leave me alone. I know about this stuff, Sierra. All right. We're gonna go with you, Sierra, since you wanted to chime in on stuff that really didn't pertain to you. Go ahead,
That's
baby.
fine.
Go ahead, finish this up. What we got?
The center, I got 2, -4.
2, -4. How did you do it?
X minus 2 squared plus y plus
Yeah,
4.
but how did you get to the x minus 2 squared part? What did you do?
Oh, I did the 4 divided by 2 squared equals 4, and 8 divided by 2 squared equals 16. And then I did x minus 4. X squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 8y plus 16 equals 0 plus 4 plus 16.
No, you didn't. What did you do with the 12?
Oh shit, I didn't even see the 12.
Oh, yeah. See, look at you. There you went. All right. So, got to move that 12 over, right? Now
Yep.
we're going to do the x minus 2 squared, y plus 4 squared equals 8. So your center is at 2, -4. What's your radius? Your radius would be the square root of 8, which is 2 square roots of 2. All right. Any questions on that? Any questions on that? Questions, comments, concerns? Keep the screen. All right, Stacy, I got you, baby. There you go. Any other questions?
Question.
Yeah.
Okay, if we. Oh, never.
Questions, comments, concerns?
How did you get x minus 2 instead of x plus 2?
The middle sign's negative. This sign's negative, Richard.
Okay, even if the okay, because I was looking through the -4 divided by 2 squared equals 4, and then you squared the 4, and then that's why I got 2.
Yeah, it's not just the square root of this. It's the square root of this with whatever sign that is.
With whatever sign. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, so let me see here. Are we going to be asking graph the square root and the graph? No, probably not. I mean, remember, it's multiple choice, so I can only ask you so much. Then all right, so that brings us to Thursday. Thursday, we're going to solve two equations. You're not going to miss that. And then that takes us to test 5, and test 5 is going to be a mantra. It's inverses, logarithms, properties, solving, domain of logarithms, circles, and system of equations. It's going to be massive. So lots of information to digest on test 5. All right, that's going to open up this weekend, probably Friday to Sunday, and then basically probably Friday to Sunday. Then, as a reminder, you must send me your scratch paper with all of the work. If you have answers that without supporting documentation in your work, you will not get credit. I will adjust your score back down. So people who say, "Oh, I guess got it correct," not in this life, not now, not anymore. All right.
You say you don't mind us using our notes, right?
Yeah, I said you can use your notes, but make sure you can support whatever you write down. And then make sure that when I call you on the phone and we discuss it, that you understand it.
So can I use our notes for that, or no? That's completely blind.
That's going to be completely live.
Okay.
All right.
So no, we can't.
I mean, you can use your notes on the online portion for sure, but when I call you up, no, we're going to be live, baby.
Okay.
And no, I've got 4 classes, so I'm not trying to spend all day with you on the phone. We're trying to get in and get out. All right. Not really, Jake. I don't have time for that. That's going to be very much. Do you understand what's going on? Okay. Any other questions?
We do got class Friday, right? I mean Thursday, right?
We do have class Thursday. Yes, we're doing system of equations on Thursday.
No further questions.
All right. With that being said, we are out of time. It looks like Jason might have another question. We do not have any classes after test 5. So once test 5 is over, that's the end of the course. Class ends this week.
And you're dropping our lowest test grade.
Yes.
All right, great.
So are you going to call us when on Tuesday?
What?
For the audio version.
No, I'll be calling you over the weekend.
Okay.
All right. By Monday, I'm going to be putting in grades. By Tuesday, it's going to be over. And I'll be getting ready for summer school, which starts like starts. Jacob, yes, end of the year pizza party will be at Pizza Connection. All right, we're out of time, you guys. Thanks for coming in. We'll see you back here on Thursday, okay? We're out of time. Try to get right now. You need to make yourself safe. And we're out of time. Y'all take care. Love you. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other.